Delicious Besan Ki Halwa recipe. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I have an incredibly tasty and aromatic dessert recipe for you all. We'll be making Besan Ki Halwa, a traditional Indian and Pakistani sweet made from gram flour, also known as besan. So let's get started. Ingredients: chopped almonds and coconut as you like. 1 cup besan, gram flour. 1 cup ghee or cooking oil. 1 3-cup sugar. 3 eggs. Begin by heating a non-stick pan on medium heat. Once it's hot, add the besan and dry roast it for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. This will release a nutty aroma and ensure the besan is properly cooked. Be careful not to let it burn. Mix well. We are using a generous amount of ghee to give our halwa its rich and indulgent flavor. Stir continuously to prevent lumps from forming. Reduce the heat to low and continue cooking the besan and ghee mixture for another 10-12 minutes. You'll notice the color changing to a golden brown, and the mixture will become fragrant. Keep stirring to prevent it from sticking to the pan. In a separate pan, add 3 eggs and sugar. Mix until the sugar completely dissolves. Once the sugar syrup is ready, slowly pour it into the cooked besan mixture while stirring continuously. Be cautious as it might splutter. Keep stirring until the syrup is well incorporated into the besan. Add chopped almonds and crushed coconut to the mixture, which will infuse a delightful aroma. At this point, you can also add a handful of raisins for some additional sweetness and texture. Stir everything together. Increase the heat to medium and continue cooking the halwa for about 5 to 7 minutes. This will help the flavors to meld together and thicken the halwa. Keep stirring to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Our Besan Ki halwa is now ready to be served. Transfer it to a serving dish and garnish with chopped almonds and crushed coconut for that lovely crunch and visual appeal. You can serve it warm or at room temperature. And there you have it. Our mouth-watering Besan Ki halwa recipe. This delectable dessert is perfect for festivals, special occasions, or whenever you have a craving for something sweet. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!